first question.
Ryan, how do you sum up the game there?
Well, obviously disappointed not to get something out of the game with the chances that we had. We had so many good chances and we just didn't manage to put them away without playing well. We didn't really play well. 2 poor goals we give away and so disappointed because when you don't play like you can do and still create chances against this top team, you've got to be disappointed. Yeah, I said that to the players. We've missed a chance there because especially the way that we ended the game, ended so strong. Yeah, of course, when it gets stretched, Croatia having chances on the break, you expect that. But we looked the fitter side at the end, so we looked the ones pushing. It looked like Croatia were hanging on. When you end the game like that and have the chances that you have, you've got to be disappointed, and yeah, definitely one that got away.
Harry wasn't fouled before their first goal?
Yeah, I mean, I was a bit far away from it, but I think usually you get a reaction from the players, so yeah, I think they looked like it was a foul, but still, you've got to defend that. It's on the edge of their box, so to concede from that position is it's a poor goal. It's a poor goal to give away.
Started Gareth on the right and then kind of went back to him being on the right after half-time.
No, I mean, it was just a bit of fluidity really between Harry sometimes and Gareth. Sometimes Gareth runs in behind. Harry will drop in. But yeah, we wanted to just have Harry just off the front really in that sort of false 9 position and try and use DJ and Gareth's pace in sort of them inside forward positions. And obviously their strength is in midfield, so we wanted to make sure that we had enough midfielders to cover that.
Amadou came on. Did you want to start him? Was he not quite ready to start? Or?
No, I mean, I think that was the best that we could have hoped for. A couple of weeks ago we didn't know whether Ethan would even be meeting up, so he's not played for such a long time. But it gives us flexibility, in that position. Then you can play with, more forward-thinking players because he is defensive-minded and he can play that midfield role just sat in front of the back four. So it gives you options when you can bring him on.
There were a lot of tired bodies on the pitch at the end of the game. Is it going to be a big task to kind of lift them again for Tuesday?
Yeah, it is, but I think they showed the fitness and the professionalism, the way that they did end, because it wasn't easy, in that heat. For some 5 weeks after the season finished, you prepare as best you can, but when you chasing the ball for a lot of the game and in that heat, it's always going to be difficult. So yeah, we need to recover. We need to get ready for what is another tough game. But we've already seen in this group everyone's lost. It's going to be tight, so we have to bounce back and now look forward to Tuesday.
Ryan, I remember when we were in Albania, you said how angry you were with the players and you told them as much. Given what you said at the start today, was it a similar situation in the changing room today?
No, not really. I was more disappointed because, like I've just said, it was a chance missed, and yeah, it's just concentration because, all the players who miss chances can score. So it's having that concentration and making sure that when you do get chances, you take them, because there won't be many sides that get chances like this against Croatia. And when you do get chances, you have to take them. So more disappointed, really, rather than angry.
Ryan, did you think Messi should have come to collect the long ball?
Yeah, I mean, it was difficult because it was the wind against, so it was holding up. So, first half when you played balls in behind, they ran out of play, and vice versa the second half. So it was difficult to judge. But yeah, I mean, like I said, it should have been stopped at source. Whether it's a free kick, yes or no. But then even before that, we need to stop that counter attack, and we need to be better.
You finished the game strongly with David Brooks got the equaliser. In hindsight, maybe could you have chucked him on earlier, or maybe even started?
He's only trained 2 days, so with the game Tuesday as well, he missed the last few games for Bournemouth. So yeah, I understand. He scored the goal. He come on. He looked lively. Why don't you start him? He couldn't have started the game because he's done 2 days. You've seen the conditions, and we have other players who are fit, and we have a game Tuesday. So they're the reasons, really. I can understand because he's such a talent, and yeah, he made a difference when he come on. But I have to make them sort of decisions, what's best. He can come on and make an impact, which he did. So yeah, it was a difficult thing leaving him on the bench, but it was the right thing to do.
Does he give you an option now for Tuesday, maybe starting on Tuesday now because of the manner in which, and I guess he'll be positive because he did go and score his first international goal as well.
Yeah, we'll just look how the players recover and how we want to play. But yeah, he's in the reckoning for starting because he's got minutes now and there's a lot of tired bodies. So yeah, I think we may have to make some changes.
Just going back to what you were saying about, I mean, obviously the heat and saw the players actually some of them collapse to the floor. Do you sense they're disappointed? They know that they could have done better. The manner in which they finished the game so strongly, and leaving people like us saying, why couldn't they do that from the start? Not to say too much to them. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I mean, I think the players know that, they know that there was a chance missed. You go into this game thinking, and I said it really, that you come up against a team like Croatia, you're only going to get a few moments in the game and you have to capitalise. Well, we had more than a few moments. So, yeah, sometimes when you're forced to chase the game, then you play a little bit differently. We need to get a little bit more of that from the beginning, and that's partly my job.
Right, and how do you interpret the players for Tuesday? It's such a short turnaround, and obviously this must have been quite draining physically and mentally today.
Yeah, it is. Obviously, we fly straight to Budapest. Recovery day tomorrow. The lads who weren't involved are training now on the pitch, so we'll all recover together. Yeah, but Hungary they're playing now in Azerbaijan, or about now. They've got that long trip as well, so they're going to have to recover. A bit different with us, obviously, with the heat and the afternoon kickoff. But yeah, it's not easy for both teams, that quick turnaround, but you have to do it.
That was the first time the Wales play here in Osijek and gain a home victory. What's your opinion about the home crowd?
Well, I think Croatia bringing the game here with their history, with their record, shows a bit of respect for us, I suppose. We knew that the record that Croatia had here, but that was a challenge for us. I said it before. That's a challenge to be the first team to win here, and we could have. But also, yeah, it's intimidating. Obviously, the fans are behind the home team, and it's a difficult place to come. And as the home team, that's your right to make it as difficult as you can for the opposition. But yeah, I don't think there'll be many teams that will come here to this stadium and create as many chances as we did. So that's a positive, but it doesn't get us any points.
How did you see Croatia today? Did Zlatko Dalic surprise you with anything? And second question, after this result, do you see Croatia as an absolute favourite for the number one spot in this group?
No, nothing surprising really. Obviously the decision whether Petkovic started up front and Kramaric just off the right. So yeah, we knew that Brekalo could play also. So we were prepared for that. Goalkeeper, obviously, Kalinic not playing. So yeah, that wasn't so much of a surprise either. But no, I mean, I think when we started the group, Croatia were favourites. But we've seen already that it is going to be competitive and teams are going to take points off each other. So, yeah, you're going to lose games, you're going to drop points. We have today, but you have to come back for it.